everyone, my name is Kajal, studying in 11th standard in IMAX International School. Today's topic is capital. What is the meaning of capital? Anything that the owner of the business is invest in his business to exercise his business is called capital. Now we will discuss about the company's capital. There are 5 types of company's capital. First one is authorized capital. Authorized capital means the whole amount would be collected as capital from the public throughout the life of a company is called authorized capital. Second is share capital. Share capital. When the authorized capital is divided into transferability of shares is called share capital, and each and every unit is called share. For example, pizza. Their pizza is divided into 4 parts. This is called share capital. And each and every unit is called share. Third is issued capital. The part issued capital is the part of authorized capital which is subscribed from the public. It means that the shares which is subscribed from the public. Subscribed means purchase. Fourth is subscribed capital. Subscribed capital is the part of issued capital which is subscribed by the public. It means that issued capital, for example, I am owner of company and I have issued 4 shares. Then 4 share is issued share. When a customer only purchase 2 shares, this is called subscribed capital. Subscribed capital is divided into 2 parts. First one is paid up and second is called up. When I am asked that pay the money of the shares, this is called called up capital. And when he pay all amount of the share is called paid up capital. And when he pay only half money of the shares, it is called partially paid up. Fourth is unsubscribed capital. Unsubscribed capital is that amount which is not subscribed from the public. It means that 2 shares purchased by public and last of the 2 shares is not subscribed from the public. It is called unsubscribed of the shares. It means that these shares is not subscribed by the public. Thank you and have a